Okay, I was indicated different colors. There are three graphs. Okay, there are three distance versus time graphs in this Cartesian coordinate plane. According to that, we will find speeds. Okay, for this, first of all, we have to find the speed for the white color one. Okay, you can see this is the white color graph. Okay, in this graph, I can select any points. I can select any points to find my speed. Okay, I'll select this point. Okay, this is little away from other disturbance, no? So I'll select this point. You can select any of these points. Okay, 61 or 122 or 183 or 244 or 305. I'll select 305. Okay, in this case, to find speed, I have to divide. Distance should be divided by time. The distance it traveled is 300 kilometers. That should be divided by the time it took. So to travel, this is the point I am considering to find the speed for the first white color graph. Distance 300 kilometers, that was traveled within 5 hours. So when we divide that, 300 divided by 5, so that will give you 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer per hour. The unit should be very important. Okay, you have to be aware of your unit. So it should be 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. Similarly, we will find speed for yellow color one. Okay, yellow color one. I use the colors where it is going through. Okay, when we consider about this, okay, we cannot take this point in yellow color curve, just graph, just look at this. We cannot take this because we know this is in 1 hours, but we don't know what is the exact distance it was traveled. So we cannot select those unidentified points. So we have to select the particular points. We can select this one or this one. This one or this one. Amongst these, you can select any one of them. So I'll select this one. Okay. The distance to find speed, distance upon time. Okay. For the yellow color one, distance it traveled is 60 kilometer. That should be divided by time it took. Time it took, that is 2 hours. So 60 divided by 2, that will give you the speed 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. Similarly, for to find the speed of this pink color one, there are 2 points. This is going through. Here we can select this. Okay, we can select this point because you can see. Okay, we can select this point. You can see this time is okay, fine. Wait, this point. Just the distance it was traveled is 60 kilometers, but we don't know what is the exact time it took. Okay, you should select any points from this graph. So I selected this. The distance it traveled 60 kilometers, but we don't know what is the exact time it took. So we cannot select those unidentified points. We can select any point amongst these two. So I'll select this one. Okay. To find speed, distance upon time. The distance is 240 kilometer. That should be divided by the time it took, that is 2 hours. So 240 divided by 2, that will give you 120 kilometer per hour. 120 kilometer per hour. Why is that? Because here you can see, I already told you. Then I'll raise the external lines. Okay, we don't need them. According to the slope of this graph, the speed varies. Here you can see the yellow color one is the steepest one. So its speed is the less amongst this. Okay, sorry, this is the one. Its speed is the least amongst the one. For this, the speed is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, for the white color one, that is 6 kilometer per hour. For the pink color one, that is 120 kilometer per hour. 120 kilometer per hour. According to the slope, speed vary. If this slope is increasing, the speed also will increase. That is the conclusion from this graph. Okay, to find speed, you should consider about the gradient. Then according to the slope, this Speed varies.